Okay, so picture this. You're working on an Acumatica implementation for a client,
Mm-hmm.
and everything's going pretty smoothly.
Right.
And then suddenly, they report a really frustrating issue.
Oh, no.
Like they're trying to process records,
Yeah.
but the data on the screen, it's just not refreshing.
Ugh. I can see how that would be a problem.
Yeah, it's a major headache,
Yeah,
right? It messes up their workflow, and it could even cause problems with data accuracy.
absolutely. Real-time data updates. They're so essential in Acumatica.
Totally. And when those updates aren't happening, you need to come up with a solution, and you need to come up with it fast.
For sure.
Well, that's what we're diving into today.
Oh, cool.
We're going to be looking at a real-world solution that came from Giri.
Okay.
He's a senior software engineer at Tayana Solutions.
I've heard of him.
Yeah, this guy, he's incredible.
Really?
Yeah, he's got like 7+ years of experience working with Acumatica.
Wow.
And he's solved over 200 unique Acumatica scenarios.
He's like an Acumatica superhero. Or
Yeah.
something. Seriously. So he's definitely the expert we want to hear from.
So what kind of problem did he tackle?
Well, he had a client who was dealing with this exact issue data not refreshing on a processing screen after they process records.
Oof. Yeah, that's a bad one.
Yeah, it was causing a ton of disruption to their workflow.
Yeah, I bet.
And like I said before, it could have led to some serious data inconsistencies.
Right, which is a huge deal.
Exactly. So I'm sure you're wondering, what was Giri's solution? What'd it do?
I am. How'd he fix it?
Okay, so get this. He added just one line of code to the processing screen's graph.
Wait, really? Just one line?
Yeah, and that one line forces the refresh to happen.
That's wild. You know, I think some of our listeners might not be super familiar with the term graph in Acumatica.
Oh, that's a good point.
Yeah, so just to clarify, it's basically like the engine behind every screen.
Right.
It controls the logic, the behavior, everything.
It makes it all work.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So by adding this code,
Which was PX cancel, DNE's cancel.
Giri essentially tricked the system into thinking that the cancel button was being clicked.
Oh, that's clever.
Yeah.
So that triggered the data refresh.
Yep, that's exactly it.
Wow, that's a really elegant solution.
I know, right? It's such a simple fix, but it's so effective.
It really is. And, you know, it kind of reminds me that sometimes all you need is a quick fix.
For sure.
Like a little tweak to get things moving again.
Exactly.
Hmm.
But it also shows you how much is going on behind the scenes in Acumatica.
Yeah, you don't always realize how complex it is.
And that's why having someone like Giri on your team
Yeah.
who have that deep technical knowledge is so invaluable.
It makes all the difference.
Absolutely. So this is a perfect time to mention Tayana Solutions.
Oh, yeah, they're great.
They're the biggest Acumatica services partner out there.
As far as I know, that's right.
And they've got a whole team of experts just like Giri who live and breathe Acumatica.
They can handle pretty much anything, right?
Oh yeah, they offer a huge range of services.
Like what?
Well, they do implementation, customization support, training, you name it.
Wow.
So no matter what kind of Acumatica challenge you're facing, they've got you covered.
That's really good to know.
So listeners, next time you hit a snag in your Acumatica work, remember this little trick.
Yeah, the one-line fix.
Exactly. Think about those tricky data refresh issues, and remember that sometimes the answer is simpler than you might think.
Keep it simple.
Right? And if you need an extra hand, if you're looking for a reliable partner to help you navigate the complexities of Acumatica,
Definitely.
Tayana Solutions is just a phone call away at 678-910-2774.
They're like your secret weapon in the world of Acumatica.
Look at that. So go forth and conquer those Acumatica challenges.
You got this.
Thanks for joining us for this deep dive.
It's been fun.
We'll catch you next time.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.